Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're making a Lucky Charms cake. So I don't know why I haven't done this yet. I actually did a Lucky Charms cheesecake that I'll link in the cards right here if you're looking for a cheesecake version. But I thought that this recipe was perfect for St. Patrick's Day. It's so much fun. The only part that's not very fun is picking the marshmallows out of the cereal, but like pop on a movie and you can do it as you're watching TV. Anyway, this cake is so cute. It has blue, pink, and yellow layers. And actually between the layers, there's buttercream and some Lucky Charms little cereal bits, which I think is super cute. So let's get started. So first, to make the cake, beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the buttermilk. Divide the batter into 3 bowls and add them pink, blue, and yellow. Pour the batter into 3 greased and floured 8-inch round cake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the middle comes out clean. Cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack and cool completely. Then to assemble the cake, slice the brown tops and sides off the cakes. Then stack the cakes, spreading some buttercream and some cereal bits between each layer. Coat the entire cake in a thin layer of buttercream and then pop it into the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Then coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream and stick some Lucky Charm marshmallows all over the cake and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you haven't yet, because I upload every single day from Monday to Friday. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow as well for an all new video. And on Fridays I do like non-recipe videos, so I haven't planned what I'm doing yet, but I'm gonna be I haven't planned it because it's February right now, so I'm pre-filming, so it'll be a good video, I promise. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and comment down below any cakes that you would like me to make that are like from cereal. I'm thinking of making like a cookie crisp cake. I think that would be really, really fun. Yeah, I don't know, so let me know. Even like a mini wheat cake would be so funny. So let me know if you have any requests, and I'll definitely make those. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!